Prepare the relevant accessories according to the experimental requirements. Install the ceramic rod onto the support base. Install the fixing ring onto the ceramic rod. Install the quartz baffles. Fix the quartz baffles with the fixing ring. Install the quartz support. Installation of the sample holder is complete. Turn on the circuit breaker. Turn on the power. Press the open button on the touchscreen to open the flange. Install and fix the sample holder. Place the sample. Press the close button on the touchscreen to close the flange. Install the sealing ring and electromagnetic baffle valve in sequence. Fix the electromagnetic baffle valve. Install the sealing ring and bellows in sequence. Fix the bellows. Install the sealing ring and bellows in sequence. Fix the bellows. Install the power cable of the electromagnetic baffle valve. Remove the ferrule connector to connect and fix the air pipe. Connect and fix the other end of the air pipe to the gas source. Connect and fix the air pipe between the flange and equipment. Connect the left and right flange water pipes, and connect the other two water pipes to the water chiller. Connect the water pipes to the water chiller. Turn on the power of the vacuum pump and water chiller. Turn on the gas source switch. Click to enter the temperature control page. Click to set the heating program parameters. Set the appropriate heating time. Click the next page to continue setting the heating program. Enter the main page. Click to set the gas flow. Set the appropriate gas flow according to the experimental requirements. Click to enter the operation page. Real-time monitoring of the equipment status. Click to return to the automatic operation page. First, click the vacuum pump button to vacuum. Click again to stop vacuuming when desired vacuum reached. Then click the inlet button to purge, and repeat the purge 3 times. After the purge, both the vacuum pump and inlet buttons should be on. First, click the trigger button, then click the Start All button to start heating. Click to enter the data recording page. Real-time experimental data can be checked here. MTI, the leading provider of scientific equipment for material research.